Quantum technology is a new wave of technologies that exploit our understanding of quantum mechanics to do completely new things. So quantum computers can solve problems we couldn't solve before with regular computers.
What we're trying to do with the quantum technology in our lab is to make a useful quantum computer.
Fundamental challenge facing quantum technology is decoherence and error, the instability of hardware against interference from the world around it. This is the Achilles heel of this technology.
Decoherence and leakage are enemies, and we try to do our gates as fast as possible. So there is, of course, balance. The faster you do the gate, the more you get susceptible to leakage. Q-CTRL helped us find this balance. We came to Q-CTRL with a problem. We wanted to implement this snap gate. I was very pleasantly surprised how well they understood the problem without too much input from our side.
Boulder Opal is a software package which allows you to deploy controls, which makes your device robust to noise and errors in the environment.
Boulder Opal was the solution that Q-CTRL provided to us. In our group, we are going to solve many more problems than what we initially thought we would need it for.
Q-CTRL is solving all of the fundamental challenges that are limiting the development of quantum tech as a useful part of our technological portfolio, all through our expertise and our singular focus on quantum control.